Hello, my YouTube friend. It's Tuesday, the day we are closed, but I'm going to put a bunch of hours in today because I have the second part of that giant, probably about 2,000 Funko Pop collection that I'm working on. So I have another 450 or so pops to go through. But first, I made a couple purchases yesterday. Let me show you those, and then we'll get to work.
All right, I have a little trade in here from Timothy. He's just trading in for store credits, all Dragon Ball Z stuff. We have Goku Ultra Instinct. We have the Toys R Us exclusive hit. Really cool pop. The international sticker version of Jiren. It usually has the purple con sticker. The Future Trunks Chase, kind of a pricey one. Flock Barris, that one's super cool. And Vegeta eating noodles. I have a little trade in from Michael. He just wanted store credit. This really cool Ronin from Star Wars Visions. So tempted to keep that one. That one's super cool. And then from Motu, we have the Evil Lyn set with t-shirt. Love that one. And we have a Rocky Balboa. This box is a little bit beat up, but cool pop. I was contacted a few days ago from the Real Pop Jesus on Instagram. He apparently had won this amazing G.I. Joe figure from a, I guess it's a YouTube channel or something. I'm not 100% sure how he got it. He just said he won it as like a prize on a giveaway on a channel. He didn't really collect G.I. Joe stuff, so he asked me if I wanted it, and of course I do. I really want all the 80 G.I. Joes I can get. This is amazing. So it's graded a 80. It's in decent shape. I ended up paying him about 80% of value. On stuff like this, I will pay up. I'm not trying to get it at full price, but if I can get it for like 70 to 80% value, I will buy it. If you have carded Joes like this, I want them because this is amazing. Super awesome. I remember buying him when he was brand new at Toys R Us in 1987. So yeah, really, that's going into the collection. Super thrilled to get that. And then the Real Pop Jesus also sold me a couple of amazing Funko Pops. First, we have the glow-in-the-dark skeleton from the ECC Comic-Con. That one's amazing. We have the international version of Green Goblin. This one I'm actually going to keep because this is one of my all-time favorite pops. And I don't have the international sticker, I don't think. And then we have Boo Berry. That one's cool. That one go pretty quick. We have the Luke and Princess Leia double set. That's really amazing. And the last thing that was really cool was a signed Voltron, signed by the voice actor of Zircon, I believe, from the Netflix series. The box is a slight error, so I'm tempted to keep it, but I think I'm going to try to sell it for now, just because I'm trying to keep a little bit less. But I'm going to put the price up a little bit, just so it might stick around. And if it doesn't sell, I might end up keeping that a couple months from now. Either way, that's amazing. So really cool stuff.
Okay, so those were some fun purchases. Let me give you a little update of the shop.
Almost got the front cleared again. I have to find some space for these 4 boxes. I have some comic books that I have to deal with. A lot of comic books I have to deal with, actually, and a little bit of clutter left here. Whew, it's just been overwhelming the last few days. But yeah, over here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 large moving boxes and 3 extra smaller boxes. I told them to give me a little bit more variety today. So I think it's a lot more things like 1s and 3s and 2s. A couple 12s. Oh, Angus Young, that's cool. Music stuff's good. Simpsons is good. Okay, so yeah, I think there's going to be a lot of fun stuff here. I don't think he's bringing me any of the expensive stuff. I think he's just worried that I'm just going to want to buy the expensive stuff. I told him I'd buy everything, so we're working our way through. If he ends up not bringing me the better stuff, it's not the end of the world, because I'm going to be able to sell the stuff. I just pay cheaper on the cheap stuff.
And with the way PPG is now, I have, especially if I'm buying duplicates, I have to be really cautious, and I'm really using eBay prices now, not PPG, because PPG is way off on a lot of things. If you're going to sell to me or you're going to sell in general, you really got to check eBay completed sales and not so much rely just on PPG, because PPG is inaccurate at the moment on a lot of stuff.
And then let's go down this aisle. A couple empty boxes I got to do because I've been trying to refill the comic books a little bit. I got a full Spider-Man box again finally, but mostly newer stuff, but fun newer stuff. Also, I'm starting to make a little section of artists. So I have like an art germ section, a Rose Bish, Derek Chu, Jenny Friesen, Lee and Hugh, Beach Momoko, Alex Ross, Babs Tarr. That's all stuff I like. Batmans are full. Yeah, so I would like to eventually get this full. I just have to do a really big sort on my comic collection. I've just been too busy to do that. And I have to buy one more of these shelves to complete the run right here. I think when my wife gets here, she is going to work on these shelves and just make a lot of room for the new pops that we're working on today. Just so that, you know, I don't have a lot of these empty boxes to work with right now.
So because I fill them up with duplicates, so I kind of want to get as much up on the shelves so I can at least clear out these 5 boxes so I can put 5. Well, and I got the action figures boxes. I could probably clear those out as well. Okay, we got our work cut out for us. Okay, first thing, we have 3 inner cases. I think this is all Pokemon stuff, which I told him I needed Pokemon, so he grabbed 3 individual cases, I guess, or the inner cases. So I have 6 Raichu for the shop, which is great because I keep selling out of the Pokemon Pops. So I'm actually happy to have some for the shop. Just the kids love this stuff. We have Horsey, Sweet, and 6 more Horses. All right, so I'm gonna have a lot of duplicates of that, but that's okay because these will sell slowly. You know, 1 here, 1 there, but I'll be sold out within a few months. I just want to mention I'm still doing mystery boxes. But I wanted to add that I can do semi-curated mystery boxes. By that, I mean I could do it on one topic if you want. These are the pops I have a lot of, or the topics that we can do. I could do just a Marvel box if you want just Marvel Pops. I could do just a Star Wars box if you want just Star Wars. I could probably even do just a Deadpool box. I think I have enough Deadpool. I could do a wrestling box. I think I have enough wrestling for a wrestling box. And I could do a Dorbs box if you want a Dorbs box. And I could do, add icons. I have a lot of add icons right now, so I could do an add icon mystery box. I could do a DC mystery box. I could do a Disney mystery box. And I could probably do like a Fortnite mystery box. Oh, and I have a lot of Dragon Ball Z, so Dragon Ball Z mystery box. I could do a Seinfeld mystery box. I could do a Masters of the Universe mystery box. So some of those subjects I could probably do like 1 or 2 mystery boxes. So let me know in the comments below if you want a specific genre or specific line mystery box. And that way I can make sure I don't oversell them. So again, how I like to do the mystery boxes, it's $65 for at least $60 worth of pops. I've been going over a little bit. I usually go to like 62 to 67. And how I build the mystery box is I take 1 better pop that's worth like 20 to 40, and then I fill it in with 2 to 4 other pops to give the $60 plus value. So if you want a mystery box, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's go through box number 1. It looks like a few of these we have a lot. Some of them we just have 1 or 2, but I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, this is the assortment of pops in the box. I just pulled out 1 of each just so we could see what was in them. So we have the Childhood Frog, love that one. Sir Isaac Lime, Poncho Punch, 11 with suspenders, Little Orphan Orange. I love this one with the little dog. That one's cute. The Strawberry Shortcake, Captain Crunch, Tyler Durden. We have a lot of those from Fight Club, but that one's gonna sell. That's a good one. Alexander the Grape. Oh, I put 2 of those up by mistake. And Offset from Migos. So first box is pretty cool. All right, let me do another box. Okay, this is the next box we're gonna work on. Okay, second box of pops. Lots of cool stuff. We have Romeo from Romeo and Juliet. Teen Wolf, love the 80s stuff. We have Juliet. I think there's only 1 of her. Angus Young for AC/DC. There's a lot of him, but that's cool because he'll sell. The Simpsons are always good. Horror stuff is always good. So we got a few horror things. That one has a little bit of value. Night King, he'll probably stick around for a while. Undersea Gal, love that one. That one's adorable. Hannibal Lecter, Mr. Burns is good. Jim Henson has some value too. That's an awesome one. Captain Marvel will probably stick around for a little bit, but pretty awesome box. Okay, this is the next box. It looks like a bunch of Marvel stuff. Maybe a couple other things. All right, let's dig into it. Okay, here's what was in that box. I just pulled out 1 of each. We have a few Venomized ones. We have Venomized Groot, X-23, and Venomized Storm. Captain Marvel ones, we have Yanrog, another Venomized one, Venomized Groot. Nick Fury, I think that one's undervalued with Secret Invasion coming out soon or next year sometime. I think that will pop in value. Venomized Daredevil, Vers, the Maid from the Haunted Mansion, Captain Marvel, we have a little bit of glare here, and Venomized Thanos. Alright, cool batch of stuff. On to the next box. Okay, this is the next box. It looks like we have some Hocus Pocus, some Babe Ruth ones. That's cool. That'll sell well. Some movie ones, One Punch Man one. All right, let's go through that box. All right, the next box had some fun stuff in it. I'm restocking my Tom Hanks section with some big pops. Terrible Tornado from One Punch Man. We have some Hocus Pocus pops, which are cool. Jimmy from A League of Their Own. Some more Tom Hanks. Forrest Gump. Maid from Haunted Mansion. Another Forrest Gump, which is awesome. Another big one. Undersea Gal. Dottie from A League of Their Own. The Nun. Mary Sanderson, Babe Ruth, that one's cool. That one's going to do well. Sarah Sanderson and Britney Spears. So yeah, really awesome box of stuff. Okay,
the next box looks like it's a mix of game stuff, some movie stuff, some TV stuff, and some anime. All right, let me go through this box and show you what's in it. Okay, next batch of pops. We have some Gear of Wars pops. Joker for Persona 5, that one's really cool. More Gears of War. Patrick Bateman, love that pop. Pretty Women pops. Another one, Edward. Alex Trebek. Super Saiyan Gohan. I think Lucy's son wants that one. Vivian Ward in red dress from Pretty Woman. A couple Iron Maiden pops. These ones are super cool. Bonkichi, that one will probably sell pretty quick. And Boomer, that one is such a cool looking pop. Kind of not worth anything, but awesome pop. So that box is pretty cool. Okay, next box. Looks like some Addams Family, some Avengers Endgame, and a couple other interesting looking ones. All right, let's see what's in this box. All right, next batch of pops. We have two really awesome Johnny Cash pops that have a bit of value. Those are cool. Gomez Addams from the Addams Family. Romeo from Romeo and Juliet. Pugsley Addams from the Addams Family. I love that one. Stuart Bloom from the Big Bang Theory. That will sell well. Uncle Fester from the Addams Family. Raj Koothrappali from the Big Bang. All Big Bang stuff always does well for me. Silver Surfer. I think that one's a bit undervalued right now. Speed Racer. Captain America from the Gamerverse. Hulk from the Gamerverse. Santa from the Santa Claus. Albert Einstein. Love that one. Thor from the Gamerverse. And Iron Man from the Gamerverse. All right, that was a pretty good batch of stuff. I think a bunch of that will sell pretty easily. All right, 2 more boxes to go. This next box, let's see what we got. We got a Ninja, Icon Ninja. I'm not sure what that is. I'm interested. Oh, Ninja, probably from the Fortnite streamer guy. Castle. All right, we got Money Heist, Animation, Kingdom Hearts, a bunch of those. The Moon Man, love that one. John Wicks are good. Okay, this is gonna be an interesting box. All right, let's dig into this and see what's inside. Okay, this box is really good. We have Dark Phoenix. We have the Childhood Cup. We have from Kingdom Hearts, we have Aqua. I might actually keep one of those. We have Botan. This one has some value. That's a cool pot. I think it's like 37-ish, maybe even 40. We have Ninja, Helsinki from Money Heist. We have the Kairi from Kingdom Hearts Specialty Series. That one I'm actually going to keep one of those. And then the common version of her I'm going to keep as well because those are adorable. We have Leia. I might keep one of those too. Sora with Ultimate Weapon. Captain Crunch. The John Wick regular version. And then John Wick with Dog. And the MTV Moon Person. Yeah, that was a great box. Lots of good, stuff that will sell pretty well. Okay, and then the final box looks like more Avengers. It's mostly just Avengers and then a couple other things. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Okay, this is the last batch of pops. There's a lot of duplicates, so not so many. We have the Gamerverse Taskmaster. That one's kind of neat. The Black Widow. Another John Wick with Dog. He just had a random one in there. The Gamerverse Kamala Khan, I think that one will go up in value a bit with the new show coming out. Regular John Wick, he had a couple more of those. Aaron Judge with the away jersey. The Goose with Flurkin, love that one. And Vampire Jack, that one's cool. All right, awesome. All right, it's been a long day. It's been a hot day. So I think I need to go home and get some dinner and hang out with my son and wife and just have some fun. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.